What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just updated my Apple Watch Ultra 2 to the latest WatchOS 27 Beta 5, and in this video I would like to show you what's new. So primarily they've updated the Siri app. As you can see, it has this new icon which is similar to this visual animation. Before it was different, and the overall feeling of this watch is better, so it feels like more reactive, not as slow as before. So apps are opening instantly, but besides that I don't see any significant changes. So the app is still like almost identical, so I don't see a huge update between now it's getting so boring, so it's kind of the only update I see. I don't see any new watch faces, so everything is the same kind of, which is kind of sad. But of course the biggest update and the most important thing for me is the new Siri app. So you can just open this app and type to it like you would type to your iPhone. Tell me a joke about Apple Watch.
Why did the Apple Watch get promoted? It always keeps its hands on time.
So the watch is answering your questions. You can ask basically anything. 10 tips for WatchOS 27.
Here are 10 tips to help you get the most out of WatchOS 27 on your Apple Watch. 1. Use the new single tap gesture. You can now single tap your index finger.
How many calories in 1000 bananas?
Assuming you meant 1,000 grams of banana, that amount contains approximately 89,000 calories. If you meant 1,000 individual bananas, the total would be about 105,000 calories for medium-sized fruit.
How can I get Apple Fitness Plus for free? Do you have any promo codes?
While I don't have any specific promo codes, there are a few ways you can try Apple Fitness Plus for free.